Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys today. It's been a long time waiting, so this is from I Love Dooney. And Mono's Beauty has already beat me to this unboxing on her own channel, so be sure to check hers out. I'm going to be, let's see, I got this on the recent ilovedooney.com sale, the 65% off festival sale, which was a really killer sale. So if you guys missed out, hopefully you can take advantage of that next year if they plan on doing it next year. They had really good deals. So I already have this bag in the smaller version, so just small, and this is the regular size. So let's get to it and start with this unboxing. My box looks intact, which is often the case with me. I feel so bad for you guys that have terrible boxes. It's hard to say, like, yeah, is it the carrier or is it the shipper? I don't know. Maybe both? I'm not sure. But either way, it's a problem that needs to be fixed, Dooney. So, anyways, okay, enough of that. Alright. Now I will warn you that this bag, when you first take out the box, a lot of times, and this is what my subscribers have told me, and I've experienced this, with this type of fabric, it will come out looking terrible. But once you stuff it, it comes out just perfect. And I've had good results with stuffing it maybe for just a couple days, and it comes back to life. So don't be alarmed. Okay. Alright. Very nice. Here she is. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Okay. So this is the Dooney & Bourke Brown Timor. It's the Dooney & Bourke Leisure Shopper in the color Brown Timor. Sorry, I don't have good focus on this camera. Brown Timor Leisure Shopper and Slim Wristlet. And I've never seen Dooney do this before online. I've seen it in the outlets, but where it has the like a wristlet along with, no, actually I lied, no, they do that, but I haven't seen them do this yet with the Leisure Shopper in the Gretta. So this is the Dooney & Bourke Novelty Print Gretta Small Leisure Shopper. Right off the bat, my only concern for me, like I said, you guys, this all comes out, these lumps and smashes. If you stuff it, it's going to look great. The only thing I see when I open this was loose. It was like this. So that's kind of weird. But anyways, my only issue is, for me personally, it's kind of heavy and big for me. I like smaller bags, but I really wanted this because I enjoy this pattern so much. So, but I can make it work. You know, that's not a big deal. So let's open it up. Okay. I think this may have been from the outlet, possibly, because I've seen this tag on the outlet when you watch videos of people going into the Dooney & Bourke outlets, and there's a like a wristlet with a bag. It has that tag on it, but I could be wrong. It could be online too. They probably just weren't selling because of COVID, because they had to shut down. So maybe they moved this to the ILD website. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so here's the inside. Let me see if you can see that. Sorry, it's backlit. Okay, so in this bag you have a big zipper on the back, a slip pocket, standard Dooney setup, and then you have big slip, another slip pocket here, and a long skinny zip slip pocket there. Key fob, which has this. Okay, well, as you know, I'll cut it later, but well, maybe I could do it now. Where's my scissors? I can't find them, but anyways, this is it just says Slim Wristlet, and I don't know if it's a large or a medium. I'm thinking it's a medium size. So it's about 7 or 8 inches in length. That is really cute. But there's one thing missing. Okay, am I going to find it? Oh, there it is. The strap. So, it's kind of like a pochette wristlet. They just call it a wristlet. So you just clip it on. I know you're like, duh, right? But I'll show you anyways. So there it is. That is really cute. So inside here, let's see if you could see that. You have just one slip pocket. There's no credit card slots or anything like that. It's just like that. And so this comes off so it's separate. I love it. So inside, maybe just like one more view for you there. Whoops. Not a lot of stuffing they put in here, but this is a big bag, so maybe I'll do another video of after I've stuffed it and then maybe do a what's in my bag. But if you don't like big bags, don't get this bag. Like I said, I just really wanted to have this and it was on such a good deal because I love this print. I can use it for work, like a work bag. But anyways, that was my purchase. Don't forget to check out Mondo's Beauty on her review as well. And I encourage you guys to, I think, I have another subscriber that said that she got this bag, and I can't remember your name. It may have been Carmen Hawkins, but don't correct me on that, but somebody said that they got it too. So one of you guys. But don't forget to check them out too. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.